So we said that when Prime Minister already reached there, we have to go to Digha and we are coming from too far. It is only because of Prime Minister to give him respect. We thought it is our duty to meet and after cyclone to submit our report. Then myself along with Chief Secretary Alapon Bandyopadhyay, he was traveling with me from the beginning. And it is not that first time I told him to visit with me because he is the head of the administration, so that he can have a look whatever happened there. We are sitting there. After 10-15 minutes, we asked that please allow us to meet Prime Minister 1 minute. Vivek Shohay, our Chief of Security Director, he asked SPG that please tell Prime Minister, convey this, that CM wants to meet him only 1 minute to hand over the report of the cyclone. She will not disturb. Then they said SPG, 1 hour का बाद बोलिए, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. Then also he informed us and we were sitting quietly. Then through somebody we came to know that they went to conference room. Then myself and Alapon, we thought that instead of attending the meeting, it is better if we go to the conference room where meeting was held. They have shown some bracket chair. It may be earlier, it may be after that. It's a fact that there was no need to sit there at that time, because the meeting earlier it was decided PM and CM, but later on it was totally revised list has been given where Honorable Governor, Central Minister I have no objection, then MLA, then opposition leader, what they mean. So the big BJP party and I am alone. And the meeting is not PM, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. Then I thought that, okay, whatever it may be, Prime Minister, when he came, landed our jurisdiction of our state, so let us meet, or it is our courtesy. And it is constitutional provision also. So myself along with my Chief Secretary, we entered the room with their permission. And there we said, look, Prime Minister, we have to go to Digha. The weather is not good. We are coming from too far. We have already visited the cyclone affected areas like Sandeshkhali, Hingalganj, Minakha, Harwa. Then we went to Sagar, Namkhana, Pathor Pratima. We have visited. And after that it was very difficult to come to Kalaikunda. The weather was not permitted. Instead of that, we have taken risk because to meet you. So we came from Kalaikunda, from Sagar to Kalaikunda, and from here we have to go to Digha. So if you don't mind, sir, we want to hand over you the briefing of the regarding cyclone and our project report, and whatever we have the report received till now, we want to hand over to you. That's why we came to meet you. Then I hand over it to Prime Minister, and he has taken it. And then I said, sir, with your kind permission, may I leave? Because our weather is not good, so I have to go to Digha because we have the meeting is been fixed there. Because all the people, all the press people, you were aware that Digha there is an administrative review meeting. Then with his permission we came. Now you tell us what is our fault? Why we didn't enter the meeting? We didn't attend the meeting? The meeting was not what was decided earlier, PM-CM meeting, it was not. The revised list I have with me, there itself said, the Honorable Governor will be here, the ministers will be there, the opposition leaders will be there. Okay, look, I have no problem. But you tell me, why 2 consecutive years you have not recognized the opposition political parties in Delhi Parliament under your guidance? If you have so free and fair. Number 2, why in Gujarat last week you went there? Why you not called opposition leader there? It is your state. Even Odisha also opposition leader was not there. In my state, whenever you come, you create some confusion and always you create some confrontation. Why? Even when I took oath, within a minute governor gave a statement against a statement regarding law and order.